In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about the beginner tour of ClickUp for guest users. ClickUp is a versatile project management tool, and understanding the roles and permissions, especially for guests, can significantly enhance your collaboration experience. Let's dive right in. First, let's clarify what a guest is in the context of ClickUp. A guest is typically an external collaborator such as a client, contractor, or freelancer. This limited access role is crucial for working with individuals outside of your core team while still maintaining a secure and controlled environment within your workspace. Unlike a member, who is an internal team member with extensive access to public content, a guest is someone who has been invited specifically to view or collaborate on certain tasks, lists, or folders. Now, let's talk about the key permissions and limitations of a guest role. This role is designed with security in mind. A guest can only see and interact with the content that has been explicitly shared with them. This means they cannot view your entire workspace, any private spaces, or other projects that are not part of the content shared with them. This ensures your internal data remains confidential and safe. To illustrate, here's a practical example. I have two accounts set up here, one representing the main workspace and the other as a guest. I've already sent an invitation to the guest account, yet when I log into that account, the spaces of the main workspace are not visible. This is exactly how ClickUp maintains security. A guest's view is limited to only the folders, lists, or tasks that have been intentionally shared with them. So, what do you do if you want to share something with a guest? Let me guide you through this process. Simply click on any folder, list, or task that you want to share. Once you're there, look for the Share option and select it. Under this setting, you'll see an option labeled People. Here, you can toggle the sharing on or off for a specific person, enabling them to view that particular content. Remember, this action must be taken for each piece of content you wish to share. The secure and flexible guest role is an integral part of what makes ClickUp such a robust tool for external collaboration. By selectively sharing necessary information, you engage with clients or freelancers effectively without compromising your internal processes or data security. And there you have it. That's the essential tour of ClickUp for guest users. Remember, whether you're managing projects internally or collaborating externally, understanding user roles ensures that everyone gets the right level of access and interaction. Thanks for watching. And be sure to explore more about how ClickUp can optimize your workflow.